Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best smart door locks on Aliexpress in 2024. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Brazil T1 Pro Smart Deadbolt from Catchface offers a cutting-edge, keyless entry solution perfect for homes, offices, apartments, and even Airbnb properties. Made from durable zinc alloy, this smart lock supports multiple unlocking methods, including fingerprint, password, smart card, TT lock app, and mechanical keys, providing maximum flexibility and security. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows voice control for seamless integration into your smart home system. The lock runs on 4 AA batteries, not included, ensuring reliable performance even without a power source, and is designed for easy installation on wooden doors with a thickness of 38 to 55 mm. With Bluetooth 4.1 BLE connectivity and remote access via the TT Lock app, it's a secure, modern solution for enhanced convenience and peace of mind. The Aiexpress Y10P Smart Door Lock is a state-of-the-art security solution featuring advanced face recognition, built-in camera, peephole, and two-way audio for enhanced safety. Compatible with the Tuya and Smart Life apps, it offers remote access, battery monitoring, and temporary password options. Designed for various door types, including steel, wood, and brass, this lock supports doors 35 to 120 mm thick and features multiple unlocking methods like biometric, key, and keypad. With voice guidance available in 5 languages, English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Arabic, it's perfect for global use. Its sleek aluminum alloy finish adds a polished, modern touch to any entryway, ensuring both security and convenience.
The Yohin DF14 3D Face Recognition Door Lock is an advanced smart lock offering cutting-edge security and convenience with multiple unlocking methods, including 3D facial recognition, fingerprint, password, card, mechanical key, and remote app access. Its polished aluminum alloy build ensures durability, while the built-in camera, visual doorbell, and real-time cat's eye display enhance safety. Equipped with an automatic alarm, the lock alerts users to suspicious activity and can function in low-light environments with its infrared sensor. A rechargeable lithium battery lasts up to 3 months, and the lock supports various door types, making it a perfect fit for modern homes.